Hi everyone, my name is Sok-Wen. I'm a young student from University Science Malaysia. I love coding because it gives me a sense of satisfaction when creating something new using my own hand. So, without wasting much of time, let us move on to our topic today, which is how to create a spin animation. So, first of all, let us search Scratch, which is the platform we will use today, and click on it, and click on Start Creating button. So we are in the website of Scratch and we are going to creating something new, right? So if we're talking about spin, is there an image in your mind which is like a thing, an object is rotating? So if a thing have to be rotated, there must be something involved, right? Which is degree. So first of all, go to the motion part and drag the turn 15 degrees into these boxes, and what instruction that you have been dragged into this instruction will be result in this little small cat, which is sprite. And what if we click on this instruction, let's see, we realize that the cat is rotate for 15 degrees, which is the angles. And what if we click on it again and again, you will realize that the cat is keep rotate. Okay, so what if we want it to like rotate for non-stop without clicking it? We can go to the control and choose the forever loop and click on it. We will realize that the cat is start to spin for non-stop by only clicking on the instruction once. So what if you want it to like spin slower? You can choose a smaller number like 2. You realize that wow, the cat is moonwalk now, yeah. And what if you want it to like spin faster? Whoa, you realize that the cat is spinning like crazy right now. So what if you wanted to like fix the cat in the specific direction or angles? You can go to the motion and go to the point in direction and drag into these boxes. And we have to stop the execution of this loop first by only clicking it. And click on this instruction and you realize that the cat is back to the normal direction, which is 90 degrees. You can also set 180 degrees if you want, and if you click on it, it will become like in the 180 direction. Okay, so moving on to the next. If you want the scratch like moving maybe for a certain degrees only, you can go to the control and choose the repeat loop and drag the turn 100 degrees bar into this and click on it. You realize that the cat only executes 100 degrees for 10 times and it's not forever. Okay, it will not like rotate forever. So what if we click on it again? Yeah, it will still execute the 100 degrees for 10 times. So this is how it works. So there's still like some conditional instruction. It's like we go to the event when this flag is clicked. So let's see what if we click on this flag. Will the cat will be rotating? Yes, it will be rotating, right? Okay, so I want it to like loop forever. So I can just drag the bar into this and click on this flag. Yeah, so it will execute the whole bar's instruction. That's all for my tutorial. I hope you are enjoying it. And I'm a code sister. I can code. You can too. Goodbye.